This video is about how to use Dexscreener. It's going to be a tutorial on how to just get familiar with Dexscreener. Essentially, Dexscreener is a tracking platform similar to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, but the difference here is that you are tracking real-time coins that are getting released every second, every minute, every hour. Specifically or more often used for tracking meme coins on the Solana blockchain, but it's not restricted to Solana. You also have other blockchains and a lot of other things you can track, really, pretty much anything. So you could open any browser of your choice and head over to dexscreener.com, and you're gonna see an interface like this. Now I know it's there's a lot going on here, and you may be overwhelmed at first, but none of this really matters. It's just there for you and for like other people who are take all this data as relevant to themselves as they need. Anyways, for beginners though, how we're gonna use this is first you could just scroll through like all these coins that are coming out. As a meme coin trader, you are basically looking at the market cap, the liquidity, and pretty much the amount of volume that's in this coin. As a meme coin trader, these coins are pretty much very small. You cannot compare these coins to like big coins like XRP, Ethereum, or even like any other coin like Doge, right? Doesn't matter what the price is because it's so small. You're trading in market cap. Now, for a for a for an example, let's just take this coin right here. So you're gonna open it, and how essentially Dexscreener works is that you're here on the chart, right? And you have all these things going on the right side of your screen. You have the website for the coin. You also have a Twitter account, and yeah, that's pretty much as what they have for this coin. Now, obviously, you could tell this is a meme coin, and there's a price in USD and Solana itself. So you have your FDV, you have your market cap, and you have locked liquidity. You also have like price changes in percentages: 5 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, and 24 hour. You could also see how many transactions are being processed, how many buys are there, and how many sells there are. You also have the volume. You also have makers, buyers, and sellers. You also have things like adding to your watch list, alerts. You could buy or sell, but really you can buy on sell. You can really buy or sell on Dexscreener. We're gonna save that tutorial on how to do that in another video. But our focus today is just to focus on Dexscreener and how it works. So now you could see more important information about how long the pair was created. Um, it's created about 5 hours ago. And then we also have pair and like the addresses. Now, let's just say you wanted to buy this meme coin, right? The address that you have to use is the one in the middle, because this is the Solana blockchain address and this is the pair address. The coin address, the one that you have to put in order to buy this, is the one in the middle. And how do I verify this? How do I verify this? I'm just gonna copy it, head over to Radium, and we're gonna put this in and see if the coin pops up. If it pops up, we know we have done the right thing. So I understand. So we're gonna switch this. We're gonna, for example, we're gonna spend Sol for the coin. We're gonna put in the address, and you see the token comes up. Now you're gonna select the token. You're gonna be like, okay, I understand, and it selects. You could see, you could put in your Sol, and you could buy the coin. So I know that I copied the right address that goes for this coin. Looking at the chart itself, it kind of looks like we had a rug pull here, so this coin is not worth buying. For the chart itself, you see how I have filtered it to market cap, right? So that's how we trade meme coins. We trade it in market cap and USD, of course. You also have your indicators here, your candles, your chart, your time frames, all these things, and the interface is pretty much similar to trading view itself. Now, another thing that is also really important is this chart or table here. You can see all the transactions, what the type was, if it was a buy or a sell, the amount in USD, the SOL, and SOL pretty much like the amount of SOL they spent for this coin, either buy or sell. You can see the price they bought it at, but this is insignificant because we're trading in market cap. And every single wallet address over here and the amount of coin or the, like how much they made off of the coin. You could just see their, you see like their profits, their losses, their unrealized balance. You could see all of that here. So this is really nice for tracking people who are really big in this game and make a lot of money. You could just take this address, for example, let's take this one, and it's going to take us to Soul Scan. We're going to do another tutorial on this as well, how to use Soul Scan. But for reference purposes, you're going to take this address and you're going to come to Soul Scan, and you're going to see everything about this transaction. What happened, how much this guy bought it for, how much he sold it, how long it happened, and pretty much everything here. But our focus today is Dexscreener. So all that useful information here. And once you familiarize yourself with this, it really nothing else is going on this page. You just have the coin, you just have the chart, you're looking at if it's a good coin to buy. If it's a rug pull like this, you don't have to do it. Come back here. Another thing that is also really important is your filters, right? You can filter through time, you can filter through trending, you can filter through gainers, top, new pairs, doesn't matter. And you also have your watch list, your multi charts, your portfolio, etc., APIs for devs, whatnot. Also have the other chains. So if I want to maybe, let's say, buy a coin on Moonshot, I'll click on Moonshot, see all these coins that are here. Maybe I like the base chain. Click on base, I will be given coins that are on the base blockchain or the base ecosystem. Let's say I like Ton as well. I'm gonna click on Ton. They're gonna give me coins that are on the Ton ecosystem, and so many other blockchains: Hyperliquid, Arbitrum, Tron as well, Optimism, ICP, and so many other blockchains. You can browse through for coins. So that's pretty much it for Dexscreener. Again, it's just a tracker for meme coins, specifically more so for Solana meme coins. You could also see like things that are going on into the market, and if the market's volatile, if it's like a good time to buy a meme coin or not a good time to buy a meme coin. But yeah, meme coins are really risky investments, so you just want to watch out yourself out there. So that's pretty much it for Dexscreener, and I'll see you guys in the next video.